Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This two-story home is beautifully designed to make your dream come true, to live comfortably or earn wisely. This property is nestled in the upscale community of Balmoral Heights in Tower Isle, St. Mary. The first floor is comprised of living room, dining room, kitchen, study, laundry room, enclosed veranda, and helper's quarter. The upper floor consists of 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms in the main area, and a separate 1 bedroom apartment with its own laundry room, living and dining, kitchen, veranda, and its own entryway. The land area of this house is approximately 16,000 square feet. Easy access to schools, commercial activities, beaches, approximately 10 minutes from Ochore's town center, and an hour and a half to Montego Bay and Kingston Airport. 5 minutes to the Ian Fleming International Airport. You can't afford to miss this opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is £550,000 or Jamaican $110.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.